Hey everyone, I'm Kim with another awesome video where I'll show you the way that you can use Kimi K3, GLM 5.2 and DeepSeek V4 Flash for free, which is provided by KeelCode. Do you want to use? Then let's get started. This is the platform KeelCode.ai which provides us the $10 free credit per day to use open source model, and it will also provide $1 credit per day to use Claude and GPT, but we are going to ignore it. $1 is not sufficient for us. After you have landed here, then let's create the account. Start for free. I'm going to create my account using my Google as authentication method. You can also continue with your GitHub or Discord. Is for your preferences. It will automatically verify all of them. Wait until it will verify. After this 3 is ready, it will ask press and hold to verify. Press until it will verify everything. Confirm. Let's get start. Here you can see you can get daily API credit. It will provide $1 per day to use GPT and Claude model. And best part, it will provide $10 free credit per day to use OpenWeight model, where OpenWeight model includes Kimi K3, GLM 5.2, DeepSeek V4 Flash, and some other model. Without wasting time, let's explore the documentation and install it. Using KeelCode CLI, we are going to use. It will mention age and everything here. In credit and limit section, it will mention this GPT and Claude mode and OpenWeight models. Let's install it. In most of the case, we have installed platform using npm, but to install Keel CLI, we need to install a bourne first instead of npm. Okay, then I'm going to search bourne install and I'll show you how you can install it. From this single line of command, you can easily install bourne. Copy it and paste it in your terminal. Wait until it will install. After this installation is complete, we are going to install KeelCode CLI. This is the way that you can install in Mac and Linux, and this is the way that you can install in Windows. My installation is on the way to complete. Okay, successfully installed one. After that, I'll copy this code to install Keel CLI and paste it here. Okay, it will still mention bourne not installed -v. I'm going to restart my terminal. Okay, it will mention add this to path. Okay, I'm going to copy this command and paste it here. After that, everything will be perfect that I'm going to expect. Bourne -v. Okay, it is not installed yet. After restarting the terminal, it will show the version, which means it is successfully installed. After installation, don't forget to restart your terminal or PowerShell. It will take a little bit time to install KeelCode. It will add all the configuration and dependency that will be required to run KeelCode. Everything will be perfect. After package installation complete, according to the instruction, we need to log in. Okay, let's log in. It will redirect us to the browser, approve and connect, where we have already created the account. That's why it will directly show us the approve message. If you have not created account in Keel CLI, it will ask you to log in first. After installation and login is completed, you can easily open KeelCode in your terminal. This is the KeelCode CLI. This interface is familiar. Currently GPT 5.6 Luna will be selected. We are going to switch the model, press / and models. Then you can find all the list of model which will be available for free. Among them, GLM 5.2 and Kimi K3 that we are going to use. If you use GPT, then it will only provide $1 credit per day. If you use Kimi K, DeepSeek and GLM, it will provide you a $10 credit per day. By using Kimi K, I'm going to build one project to demonstrate how much awesome this model is and how this CLI works. First, I'll close this CLI here and I'm going to open this CLI inside my test folder. After that, you can see Kimi K3 is selected. First, I'm going to test it. Does it work or not? Is it working perfectly? Now I'm going to build one project. Okay, I want to build one drawing whiteboard web app in single HTML file using Kimi K3. I have give prompt. Currently it will reasoning, it will think, analyze, and it will start to work on it, where it will already mention I'll create a whiteboard app with pen, eraser, shape tools, color, undo, redo, touch support, and PNG export all in one HTML file. Let's wait until it will complete this task. After it will complete, we will check how is it look, how much token it will use to complete this task. Until now it will take 48 seconds, and currently it will thinking and working on it. Permission, okay, allow it, done, allow, let's press capital A, where it will always allow it. You everyone know that Kimi K is the open source model and it is very quick. It didn't take too much time to complete. Okay, it will complete it. One design notes. This is the things that will be covered here. Undo, redo, snapshot capture the full canvas, and so a resize mid session will stage old history and more. Let's test it. I'm going to open my test folder inside my Visual Studio Code. This is the test folder and this is the text.txt and whiteboard.html. Go live. Whiteboard.html. This is the web app that we have built. I'm going to select one pencil with color, clear canvas. It will give all the option, but when I'll select pencil, then it will didn't draw it. When I select eraser, then it will be not usable. Let's fix this problem, where I'll mention edge and everything here. I'm going to solve it. You can see whiteboard looks good. Edge and every option will be available here. Clear option will be also available here. Save PNG. If you have draw any awesome sketch, then you can also save it here. You can set the size, you can choose any color. Pencil default canvas size will be also available. Pencil is available, but this is not usable here. That's why I'll give them the task to fix this problem. After it will solve this problem, we are going to check it, does it work or not. Before it will provide the final code, it will also check does it work or not. It will check it by itself, then only it will provide us the code. Now it will completed the task. Let's see does it work or not. Okay, I think it will work. I'm going to select the pencil. Yes, it is working perfectly. If you want, you can select any color. You can draw the different type of shape. This is the eraser. Okay, you can increase the size of this eraser, working perfectly. Okay, it will create the awesome whiteboard. Now I'm going to select another models, which is GLM 5.2, and build another project. First I'll test does it work or not. Sometime you have faced this type of problem, which is model temporarily unavailable. Try this request again. Sometime this type of problem happens. You may face this type of problem in free model. Okay, but DeepSeek V4 Flash is working perfectly. Okay, if any model didn't respond you, then you can easily switch between the model. I want to test GLM 5.2, but currently it didn't respond me. Now I am going to choose DeepSeek V4 Flash. You can know that it will launch 1 week ago. After the preview version, it will already beat GLM 5.2 in each and every benchmark, and it will currently competing with Cloud Opus model. I'm going to select it and I'm going to test it. Does it work or not? It is working out perfectly. Now I'm going to build another project using this model, which is image compressor web app. By this way, you can use some of the intelligence model currently available is in the market, just like DeepSeek V4 Flash, Kimi K3. Oh, how much fast it is. It will already complete to build this image compressor app. Let's run it. I'm going to select this image compressor, choose the file. You can upload file up to 50 MB. I'm going to select my this thumbnail. Its size is 1.2 MB. Open it. You can adjust its quality and you can also set its width. According to the width and quality, its size will be different. Currently 90% smaller and its size is 122 KB from 1.2 MB. Original size is 1.2 MB. You can compress it up to 20 MB. Okay, this is the power. After you have compressed, you can easily download it, where we have already tested by using 2-3 models. means it is working perfectly. After that much use, I'll show you the dashboard, how much token we have used, how much dollar that we have consumed. Only the 2.7% I will show you by refreshing my dashboard. You can see we have only consumed $0.29. Have you imagined how much line of code do you written using this model? You can get $10 per day using this free model, and you can also use GPT model. This is the best way that you can use intelligence model, which include DeepSeek V4 Flash, Kimi K3, GLM 5.2. During testing, GLM 5.2 didn't respond us. For now, if you can test it sometime later, it will working perfectly. Don't worry, if any model didn't respond you, switch between another model, then it will work. Sometime it may be so you can reach your limit, but this error will be happen due to high request. Switch between the model, then it will working perfectly. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. We'll meet you on the next video. Okay, bye bye, happy coding.